I'm Carol Bender, principal at St. Isidore School. Welcome to our virtual open house. St. Isidore School is a Catholic elementary school that begins with transitional kindergarten and continues through 8th grade. Our students embark on a rigorous academic program that includes core subjects as well as Spanish, music, art, physical education, and technology. Partnering with parents, together we build a strong foundation that enriches the lives of our students far past their time at St. Isidore School. We take pride in our academic excellence and student achievements. Our faculty and staff are committed to providing the highest quality Catholic education for each student, combining deep-rooted traditions and current best instructional practices. We are dedicated to providing our students with the tools necessary to be successful in the 21st century. We are united in vision and in mission to instill a foundation of faith within our students. I'm so pleased you can join us today for our TK through 2nd grade virtual open house. St. Isidore School opened in 1962 as a parish Catholic school. We are dedicated to educating children in the Catholic faith while providing a rigorous academic environment. We are committed to developing lifelong critical creative thinkers who actively serve the Church to enrich the community, communicate effectively, and achieve their highest academic potential. St. Isidore School is a Catholic elementary school that supports the belief that parents are the primary educators of their children. As facilitators of this process, we are committed to supporting and assisting parents in preparing their children as Catholics for life in our complex, technological, and ever-changing world. We believe that this mission must focus and maintain our children's growth toward becoming educated, ethical, caring adults. We place emphasis on academic excellence while providing opportunities for all students to extend their abilities to reason and think in creative ways, to apply what they know to the world around them, and to work together for common goals. We recognize and respect the individuality and dignity of all members of the school community. Collectively, we provide the tools needed for students to develop an awareness and application of Catholic principles, gospel values, and spiritual growth necessary to prepare them for a life of faith-filled service.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Vernon, and I'm one of the TK teachers at St. Isidore. Our TK program runs from 7:50 to 1 with the option to stay for a full school day in our after-school enrichment class. Our focus is on literacy, phonics, math, social-emotional growth, and religion being the base of our curriculum. Our enrichment offers STEAM activities such as gardening, cooking, building, and art. And our TK students attend music, Spanish, art, PE, and those are our specialty classes throughout the week. Transitional kindergarten builds a connection between preschool and kindergarten and lays a strong foundation of skills that our students will use throughout their years at St. Isidore.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Sullivan and I am one of the kindergarten teachers at St. Isidore School. Kindergarten is a magical time where students grow and learn in all areas of the curriculum. We have a full day program and our curriculum includes a balanced literacy program, writer's workshop, math workshop, science, social studies, and handwriting. Our specialty classes include Spanish, PE, music, art, and library. We have 24 students with a teacher and instructional aide. Kindergarten has their own playground area where students get to play, ride bikes, and connect with other students. Kindergarten provides a strong Catholic educational experience grounded in faith. Kindergarten is where students truly start to bloom.
Hi everybody, my name's Alex Devine and I have been teaching here for 6 years and it truly is my dream job. I absolutely love stepping into my classroom every morning and feeling the magic that is hidden behind these 4 walls. Being an alumni of St. Isidore, I came to this school as a new student and I felt the SIS love from day one. I know firsthand how great this school is and how amazing the people here make you feel. And look at me, I still haven't left. First grade is such a special time for our students. We focus on small group instruction and the workshop model for reading, writing, and math. They are constantly moving throughout the classroom and connecting with their classmates in many different ways. They learn how to problem solve, they learn how to read, and they learn how to be great writers. First graders traditionally facilitate a special Christmas Mass called the pageant, where they recite and act out the nativity story. This is a school-wide favorite. As the older students watch, they can often recall what their special part was and even sometimes remember their lines. First graders also get to partake in joining a school family for the first time. They love getting to know other students from around campus, and especially their 8th grade buddy who they love connecting with, learning about, and ultimately admiring all year long. First graders learn about towns and communities and how they operate, so much so that our first graders even get to create their own towns made out of shoe boxes, toilet paper rolls, and any cardboard they can find. This is definitely a highlight for most first graders as they love to create and build these towns together. Each year, the towns seem to get more elaborate and more unique than the year before them. We end off the year with another special tradition of honoring the 8th grade class with a school-wide graduation mass. During this event, the first graders wish the 8th grade class well on their new adventure to high school and present them with the honorary goodbye balloon. They highlight all the things they have loved about them throughout the year, and they are so excited to follow in their footsteps as they continue their journey here at St. Isidore. I look forward to meeting you all and continuing these great traditions.
Hi, I'm Jenna Caldwell, one of the 2nd grade teachers here at St. Isidore School. 2nd grade is such a special year because students grow spiritually and academically. They grow spiritually by receiving 2 sacraments this year. We spend the first half of the year getting them ready to receive their first reconciliation, and the rest of the year we prepare them for their first Holy Communion. It's such an exciting time. Academically, we follow Fontes and Pinnell's guided reading for small group instruction. We use Lucy Calkins' Writer's Workshop, as well as Eureka Math. We really love our small group instruction.
My name is Tracy Schmidt, and I'm the Director of Religious Affairs. Part of my role is to partner with students, teachers, parents, and the parish to enrich the spiritual life of the school community.
Teaching, learning, and sharing the Catholic faith is an integral part of each school day. Students receive formal religious instruction founded in the teachings of the Catholic Church. All students actively participate in a variety of activities, retreats, and opportunities to explore, enrich, and engage the relationship with God, self, and others. All students participate in the faith life of the school. Students experience a wide range of liturgical experiences throughout the school year, including daily class and school prayer, weekly grade level Mass, and monthly all-school Mass, reconciliation prayer services, Stations of the Cross, May crowning, and more. Students learn from an early age how to minister and participate in these liturgies. Our 2nd graders prepare and receive the sacraments of reconciliation and First Holy Communion, and 5th through 8th graders have the opportunity to altar serve. As a means to build confidence, care for one another, and build friendships across the grades, St. Isidore students gather in school families, which consist of one student from grades 1st through 8th to complete activities and gather for worship. Living and practicing our faith on a daily basis is something that truly makes St. Isidore School a special place.
Specialty classes are an integral part of our St. Isidore School curriculum. Students in grades TK through 2 have art, music, library, PE, and Spanish classes every week. These classes are important to teaching the whole child.
When we enrolled at St. Isidore, we knew about the education of the whole child and it being a Catholic school first, and that's really what we were buying into. What we didn't fully anticipate was just how amazing this community would be for our entire family. And for Allison and myself and the friends we've made here have been awesome. I mean, we love all the social gatherings. The auction is my favorite night of the year. We love the fish fry, love the golf tournament, but beyond that, it's just the way that the people in this community show up for each other day in and day out, and the highs and lows of everyday life. It's been truly remarkable and life-changing for our family. I'd encourage anyone who's new to the school. Obviously, we have a more difficult time showing up for each other in the same ways that we would have pre-COVID, but I encourage you to get involved in any way you can. This is the type of place where you will get out even more than what you put into it. But I'd encourage you to get involved and be open to meeting new friends, and I hope that your life will be changed for the better, the way ours has.
When we started St. Isidore's with my oldest, who is now a senior in high school, I jumped right in and got involved in the activities, and it was the best thing I ever did. Just getting to meet all the families, the parents of the kids that my kids have moved through school with. It feels like family. Being here on campus is my favorite place to be. I get to be with our kids, and I get to be with the teachers and see the kids in action. It's amazing. The teachers care about our kids like they're their kids. Even going online at the end of last year into this year, listening to their Zoom calls, it brings tears to my eyes. The teachers are so engaging. They're keeping the kids together. They're talking. The community is still alive, even apart. And I can't wait to get back on campus.
Hi, I'm Lauren Rivera. I'm a senior at Carondelet High School, and I graduated from St. Isidore in 2017. St. Isidore provided me a great foundation for high school with its challenging academic program with speech competitions, science fairs, and history projects. St. Isidore also prepared me well for life thanks to its strong Catholic identity, its loving environment, and its commitment to service. I'm forever thankful for my time spent at St. Isidore and the solid foundation it gave me for the rest of my life.
Hi, I'm Charlie Kratis, and I graduated from St. Isidore's in 2019, and I'm a sophomore at De La Salle High School. St. Isidore's not only prepared me academically for the future, but taught me to be grounded in faith. I had such an incredible experience at St. Isidore's because they have a loving community and teachers that really want you to succeed. St. Isidore's is a very special place to me, and it was really hard for me to say goodbye. My classmates and I were able to form relationships that will last a lifetime because after 9 years, everyone truly feels like family.
Thank you so much for joining us on our virtual open house. If you have questions about applications or admissions process, please visit www.stisidore.org. You can also feel free to reach the admissions department with any other further questions. I hope to see you on campus real soon.